volume analysis. So first term is, okay, I'm starting now. So I will explain today some terms of volume analysis. So first term is bullish effort is greater. Bullish effort is greater than the bullish result. And bullish effort is less than the bullish result. Bullish result. So these are the two terms here, and another two terms. Bearish effort is greater than the bearish result. Bearish effort is less than the bearish result. Okay, bearish effort is greater than the bearish result, and bearish effort is less than bearish result. Okay, so now we have to know that what is effort and what is result. So first of all, bullish effort. Bullish effort, that means effort means volume and result means candlestick. So this is first term, bullish effort is greater than the bullish. So first of all, I am drawing here. We know that market create different types of candlestick. So think that it's a candle in the market, and this candle volume is this one, and it's another candle in the market, and this candle's volume this one. So if we compare these two candlestick and these two volume, what we see, this is valid because candle this is the effort, that means volume effort is greater, volume is greater, volume is greater, that means effort is greater, and candlestick also large here. That means no something wrong here, no wrong, it's okay. Here the volume, that means effort is small, effort is small here, candlestick small here. So small size volume, small size candlestick. If we compare these two candlestick, it's okay because large volume, strong candle, small volume small here, that means volume low here, candle weak here. So it's okay. But when we face this type of situation, this type of candlestick, market create this one, volume now this one, and candlestick this one candle, and volume this one. So now if we compare these two candlestick and these two volume, so what happened here? Bullish effort, this is bullish candle, and its effort is this volume. So bullish effort is greater, large here than the bullish result. So the first term is applicable here. So our first term, this one, first term, and second term, bullish effort is less. That means effort means volume, bullish volume less here, than the bullish result. Bullish result, that means candlestick large here, and effort, that means volume low here. So this one the second rules for this situation. So when and how we have to apply this condition in the market, this is the main thing. So the main rules is this one: bullish effort is greater than the bullish result. That means anomaly. We already know it's an anomaly, it's not valid. This one valid, this one valid, this one valid, but it's not valid. So it's anomaly. When anomaly happen, then we can take this type of situation. So when and how, this is I'm explaining here now. Okay, so for the same thing, for bearish candlestick also. So when candlestick like this type of, volume also like this type of, it's okay, because candle size is strong here, volume also strong here. That means volume effort high here, that means result also high here, and effort is uh, like this one, effort is low here, that means volume low here, candlestick weak here. It's okay, there is no wrong here, it's okay. So and if we see this situation, candlestick and volume, so this one and candlestick volume. So now this condition is not okay, because effort is greater here than the bearish result. Bearish effort is greater, that means volume greater here than the bearish result. So first term is this one. When the condition is this one, this is applicable here. And second term is this one. Bearish effort is less than the bearish result. Bearish result large here, and bearish effort, that means volume low volume here. So now when and how we apply in the market, this is the main thing. So we already know that each and every bullish setup, that means bullish signal, bullish candle signal, we have to take in the downtrend market, and this one applicable for each and every volume signal. So for today's signal, this all are the 1 minute signal only for today's signal. Okay, so how we can place our trade? Now I'm explaining. Suppose it's a seller's entry point area, market already says this direction, and market is strongly falling down to the downward direction. So we have to take the bullish signal in the downtrend market, because when sellers are very strong, buyers are weak, then only we have to go with the sellers again by taking signal from the bullish candlestick, because in a downtrend market, sellers are definitely very strong than the buyers. So when market give us any signal by the buyer side, then only we can continue with to the same direction with the buyer, with the sellers only, by taking signal from the buyers. Okay, so if we get here to here any pullback, here to here, and in this pullback area we will get different types of candlestick and different types of volume condition. So suppose here to here market create two candlestick, or sometimes more than two candlestick. So sometimes what happen, first I'm drawing by the line, then I will draw by candlestick also. So try to understand the very basic concept. After that, I will explain it by candlestick. So the basic concept is when market is strongly falling down, it's a pullback area. We already know that when we get any signal candle here, exactly at the pullback area, then only we can take that pullback, signal candle, and we have to place our trade to the downward direction from above any resistance level. This was our previous concept, but sometimes we will not get any signal candle. Signal candle, that means a hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, like a spring top candle, doji candlestick, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji, any of these candlestick here to here. Then only we have to go with the sellers for 3 minutes. But sometimes market will not give us like that type of candlestick in this pullback area. So sometimes market may create like strong candle, this type of candlestick or this type of candlestick. So if we see here to here, any of these candlestick, like suppose this one, first this candlestick, and second candlestick this one. Okay, so think that it's a pullback here to here and level is here, or we can draw like this, it's a very weak candlestick, or it's a strong candlestick, then this one. So this is the resistance level here, and market got rejected from here. Okay, now a strong downtrend. After a strong downtrend, we get these two candlestick. So it's not our signal candle, a different candle, different shape candle, because it's not a hammer candle, it's not inverted hammer candle, or like any signal candle. So in this case, if we see this candle's volume is the first candle, this one, first bullish candle volume is this one. Okay, and second candle volume is this one. So now what happened here? Which term applicable here? So the bullish effort is less than the bullish result. So we have to compare both two candlestick, and we have to take the second one. That means it's not a valid, it's an anomaly. So this bullish effort is less. That means bullish effort is less. Second one, this one, bullish effort is less than the bullish result. That means result high. That means candlestick large candle, but volume low here. So when we compare between two candlestick, and it's a resistance level, so market when create this type of situation, it's a resistance level, so we can place our trade from here above this resistance level to the downward direction for 1 minute. This is a 1 minute signal. So market, for this signal and for this condition, this type of candlestick, market definitely market create this situation exactly at the resistance levels, then only we have to take. Otherwise, if we see resistance level is here, sometimes it may happen that market create this type of situation. So there is a gap here to here. So in this case, market may fill up this gap also. That's why if market create this type of situation, if market give us opportunity that market quickly goes up above this level, then only we can place our trade here also to the downward direction. What happens? Sometimes market may create this type of candlestick and this type of wicks. That time we place our trade in these wicks to the downward direction, definitely market will give us winning trade for 1 minute. Although market fill up this gap, we win this trade. And if we see resistance level, market exactly create this type of situation exactly at the resistance level, we can easily place our trade above this resistance level here to the downward direction. That means when we get any anomaly to the same direction of the trend, we have to place our trade. And if we see opposite color candle, market is strongly falling down, and suddenly we see opposite color candle, that means all candles red, 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 Sometimes green candle, two or three green candles. Sometimes we face different types of situation here. This candle, like this type of volume. So this candle volume is this one. This candle volume is this one, and market create another candlestick here. And if we see breakout happen, another candlestick here. So it's valid. It's not anomaly. It's not our signal because weak candle, low volume, large candle, strong volume. So and then it's the resistance level, breakout happen. So when breakout happen, we don't have opportunity because after breakout, market now it's a support level now. Market may got rejected from here and goes up also because now it's a support level for this candlestick. So when market create this type of situation below resistance level and volume condition is this one, that means it may this type of situation also, suppose from here, suppose think that it's create this type of situation, we place our trade to the downward direction for 1 minute, market fall down from here, win this trade. Okay, so market fall down and down. When market again came here, goes up from here. Okay, one or two candlestick go two or three candlestick goes up from here. Okay, so it may happen like this type of situation. It may happen that first candle is large one and second candle is a small one. Okay, or market may create this type of situation also. This candle volume, this one, this candle volume, this one, and the next candle, this one, this candle volume, this one. So these two are valid, this one and this one, but these two candle, these two situation is not valid because this candle is still weak candle, but volume high here, this strong candle, than this one volume low here, and resistance level is this one. So we can place our trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute here. Okay, so from any support level, if we see market create this type of situation that resistance level is here and market already created like this candle and then this candle. Okay, this one and then this one. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick market already created. In this situation, if we see every this one valid, this one valid, this one valid, this one valid. Okay, this one valid. Okay, now this one, this. So here, this candlestick, large candle, volume high, it's okay. Weak candle, volume low, it's also okay. Again, large candle, volume high, it's okay. Again, weak candle, volume low, it's okay. But again, large candle than this one, but volume is low here. It's a anomaly here. And which term is this one? Bullish effort is less than the this one. Bullish effort is less than the bullish result. Or market may create this type of situation also. Okay, this one. Doji type bullish candle, this one. Okay, so but this candle volume, this one, and this candle volume, this one. So although market create this situation here, it's a momentum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick market already created. So now this area, this level is risky for us. Market may break this level and goes up also. So if market create this type of situation, we immediately we have to check this level. Which type of level this one? Is there any extreme buyer's entry point level? If we see extreme buyer's entry point level and market is creating this type of situation, so we don't have opportunity. Although market create the first term here, bullish effort is greater than the bullish result. That means anomaly happen here. So although it's an anomaly, we don't have opportunity to place our trade here to the downward direction. Why? What's the reason? Because It's the buyer's entry point area, previously extreme buyer's level, and market when came here, market create a momentum from here, and every sequence is okay here to here, but last one is not okay. Although last one is not okay and it's a resistance level, market may break this level and goes up also. That's why we have to avoid this one. So the question is, when we have to take this two situation and it's work very perfectly. This is the main question. So when market strongly fall down after change this direction from here, and it's a very early stage of the market, and we see two candlestick market created, and exactly it's a resistance level little bit above or exactly at this area here, and this type of situation happen. Any of this one or this one. So here the second term, bullish effort second term, this one, yes, bullish effort is less than the bullish result. So then we can place our trade here to the downward direction. So this is our rules. If market create this type of situation, we don't have opportunity here. So same thing in the downtrend market also. When market is strongly falling down, sellers are very strong, market changes direction from here, definitely sellers are very strong. If we see a breakout happen or something like that, a previous level this one, and market finally breakout happen, and finally market uh, create this type of situation, this one. Okay, sorry, same situation, this one. Okay, when market is strongly uptrend. Okay, same situation, this one. Okay, this type of situation. Suppose market changes direction from here, market is going to the upward direction, up, 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 up. Very strong market by the buyer side. Market already changes direction from here. Okay, market is going to the upward direction, and some sellers enter in the market, and the seller's condition is this one and this one. Okay, or like this one. This is the level, previous level of the market. So when market it was a momentum type situation, market breakout happened and market goes up directly, and after some time market again started to falling down. Now if we see this candle, and this candle volume is this one, second candle very weak candle, this candle volume is this one. So this term applicable here, bearish effort is greater than the bearish result. So this one bearish effort is high here than the result, that means candlestick. So when we see this type of anomaly in the opposite direction, that means market started going up very strongly. This is now opposite direction. Market suddenly create this type of situation. Exactly at the support level, we can place our trade. And definitely market condition and volume, EMA condition. If EMA, all the EMA conditions are like this type of, market is above of this EMA line, then we can place our trade like this way. 1 minute trade below the level to the upward direction. So sometimes what happen, market, when market changes its direction, we become confused. Market changes direction or not, or what is happening in the market. So by this situation, how we can handle? Okay, I'm drawing here. Okay. Okay, think that market falling down, 50, 30, 20 EMA line, like this condition, and market falling down, breakout happen. So how it break? if we see market create here a chart pattern, low, high, lower, high, lower, high, or any range, finally range breakout, or any chart pattern after that market break all the CMA lines and market falling down, so down. So I already explained this, all the EMA lines also act as a strong SNR level or act as a resistance level when market below of all these EMA lines. So it may this 30 EMA, this 30 EMA may act as a resistance level. This 50 EMA act as a resistance level, or this 20 EMA, this 20 EMA also sometimes act as a resistance level. So when we take this one act as a when this one we take as a strong resistance level, when we see that market is again and again started to falling down, market fall down from here, reverse from here, again reverse from here. So again and again market reversing from one of these EMA lines. That time we have to take that EMA line as a strong resistance level. So when market started to falling down like this, sometimes market may trying to make a range here. So or market may trying to make like this type of this one low, this one high low, again market started to going up like this type of. So when we see this type of situation, immediately we have to check this level, which type of level this one, and we don't place our trade if this type of pullback. We don't place our trade based on this type of signal. If we get here to here any signal, we don't place our trade to the downward direction, because market may change its direction from here also. That time we may lose our trade. So if we see it's a ranging type situation and market goes up, trying to goes up, it got rejected from any EMA line and market may again started to falling down, and this area breakout happened and market again started to falling down, then only we can again place our trade by this type of signal here to here. Any this type of anomaly, any terms here we can apply, and we can place our trade to the downward. So finally, when market came here, it may have, it's a suppose it's a strong SNR level, it's a extreme buyer's entry point level previously. Market may directly came here, again goes up, again market may again fall down from here. So it slowly it's make a strong basement, again goes up, it may again uh, 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 came back to this same level again from after rejecting from here from this 30 EMA. So finally what happened, finally when we see it's a market already created a strong basement here, and market, that time market may change its direction by creating like this type of situation. When market changes direction by creating like this type of situation, we can also place our trade in this area, in this area also. So how we know that this type of situation, if market create any chart pattern, we can easily know that market already changes direction, buyers are very strong and sellers are weak, and market again started to going up very strongly, breakout happened, this level breakout happened, this level breakout happened. That time market changes direction from here, from this basement, and market finally break all the EMA lines and market goes up. So when market after a long fall down, market create a strong basement, like this type of a strong basement, that time we can go with the buyers. If we see buyers are very strong than the sellers, and if we see this type of situation, we can place our trade 1 minute below any support level, like this type of situation. Bearish effort is less than the bearish, greater than the bearish result. That means effort is greater. That means this type of situation happen. Two candlestick market create here. So I'm drawing, then it will more clear. Okay. Suppose it's a pullback area, and first candle market create this one, and second candle this one. Okay. And volume condition is weak and this one large. So now we turn this one, this one, this turn. Bearish effort is less. That means bearish volume is less than the bearish result. So we can place our trade here below the support level to the same direction of the trend. Market again continue to the same direction. Okay, again we face any situation like this type of situation, like here, first candle large one, second candle small one, and second candle volume high, and first candle volume low. So now we turn this one, bearish effort is greater. Bearish effort is greater than the bearish result. Bearish effort is greater. Effort is greater than the result. Result is very weak candlestick. So we can place our trade below a support level to the upward direction here. That time again it will work. So and this type of situation may happen after sometimes market is falling down. So first wave, second wave, after second wave market may create here a range. So when finally range break out, so when market make a range, we have to check this level. Which type of level this one? Is there any extreme buyer's entry point level or not? If we see extreme buyer's entry point level and market is creating low, higher low, that time we don't have opportunity to place our trade to the downward direction. We have to change our mind. We have to change our direction also with the market. So if we see it's a range, it's okay. It already create a low, higher low, it's also okay. But finally market failed to go up, market directly fall down and break this all this area, and market started to falling down. And now this is the previous level of the market. If we see market create this type of two candlestick here, this one and this one, and volume condition, this one, okay, the first candle volume high, second candle volume low, this is our signal. So it's not our 3 minute signal candle, but it's our signal. Which term is applicable here? This one, the this second one, bullish effort is less than the bullish result. That means candlestick large but effort is low here, that means volume low here. So we can place our trade above this level to the downward direction for 1 minute. Okay, it's a 1 minute signal and it's worked very perfectly. If we can select a perfect market, it will work perfectly. So market when strongly falling down, and in this case, if we see this type of situation, then we place our trade. If we see range and market create this type of low, high, low, then we don't have opportunity to place our trade to the downward direction, because market may change its direction from here. And most of the time what happened, finally market break the lower level and market again fall down, again market create this type of ranging situation, again breakout happen, and finally market came back to any level. It may a round number level also it may extreme buyer's entry point level also, like this type of previous ranging market also. First time market goes up, again market first time market fall down and came here, again market goes up, it rejected from any EMA lines and market again fall down. So finally market create a strong basement here, and market strongly going to the upward direction, and it may create a momentum type situation. After momentum, if we get this type of situation, pullback in a pullback, this type of situation, any terms here, then we can place our trade below our support level to the upward direction for 1 minute. So this is the today's concept, today's topics, bullish four terms here today, and it's very effective in an uptrend market. Definitely we have to try to take all the EMA lines when market above, all the EMA lines below. That time we have to consider that market is a strong uptrend market, and in that strong uptrend market situation, when we see this type of imbalance, that means anomaly, opposite direction, anomaly, market is going to the upward direction, but some sellers enter in the market and it create this type of situation, and volume condition is this one, that means anomaly. So we can place our trade to the upward direction. But when we see market creates second candlestick, here first candle, here second candle, or market create third candlestick, but breakout happen. It's a support breakout happen. So although it's a it's an anomaly, or it's any terms of these terms, so that time we don't have opportunity to place or trade to the upward direction, because after breakout now this level is a resistance level for us. So market may got rejected like this, and market may fall down also from here. So that time we may lose our trade. So when market create this type of situation above any support level, so we have to place our trade 1 minute trade below that support level to the upward direction. So this is all about today's topics and today's signal. So now I am going to the chart. Okay, I think 6 minutes remaining. Okay, reason please, I'm closing this session here. Okay, see here. This is a sideways type market, and this is a ranging type situation here. And if we analyze this situation here, so it's looking like a chart pattern here. It's looking like a chart pattern here. Chart pattern. So in the chart pattern, market previously it was sideways market. That means ranging type situation here, and finally, market created here a chart pattern, and market finally break all the EMA lines. So when market finally break all the EMA lines, so this candle and this candle formed in the market, and this the first candle. This first candle's volume high here. Second candle very large candle low here, and see previously this is the 20 EMA. Okay, so this is the 20 EMA. Previously it act as a resistance level here. So this 20 EMA market exactly close below the 20 EMA. After that market this candle fall down, and finally market break all the EMAs, and market again came back to this level, and market create this type of situation here. So which term applicable here? This one, bullish effort is less than the bullish result. That means volume is low here, but candlestick large here. Bullish effort is less effort. That means volume is less, low here. Then the result. Result is high here. That means candlestick is strong here. Okay, and anomaly. This one anomaly, clear anomaly. A strong candle, low volume, weak candle, large volume. So, and our resistance level is this one. So when market exactly close at this level, previously it was resistance level, we can place an order here for 1 minute to the downward direction. Okay. So market again is strongly falling down. It's a momentum type situation. 1, 2, 3, 4 candlestick. After that, 4 candlestick market created, and step by step market became stronger, and breakout happened all the EMA lines, and it's a momentum type situation. Again market create another momentum situation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlestick. So where market creates six candlestick here. Okay, so we have to now analyze these two candlestick. So when we analyze these two candlestick, we have to observe perfect candlestick and perfect volume size. So I think it's looking like a same size candle here. If this candle weak candle than this one, then only we can take this one, because this time that time it will the bullish effort is greater. That means bullish effort is greater. That means volume is high than the bullish result. Then only we can take this one. And if we see these are the equal, but volume condition is like this type of, then we don't take this one. Okay, so if we see this candle stick low, that means weak candle, but volume high, then only we can take. And this is the 50% level of this candle, so we can take this situation also, and we can place our trade exactly at the 50% level to the downward direction for 1 minute. So again market started to falling down, and market created two candlesticks. So this one very weak candle, volume low, little bit large candle than this one, volume high. So it's a valid. So when valid, then we don't have opportunity. So market again fall down, 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 down. Okay. So now this one, this is a clear scenario here. that this candlestick large candle, this candlestick volume weak, and weak candlestick large volume. So now market reverse from here. So we have to search level at this area. Is there any level or not? We see there is no level here. So in this case, we have to check the little bit above previous market also, because there are no market here exactly at this area. That's why in this case only we have to search the previous area. Is there any level or not? Okay. So market reverse from here. If I draw like this, okay, we can check. Okay. I think this doji level work here, this one, doji level. And previously from this doji level, market goes up. Okay. So yes, market exactly close below this level, and market create this type of situation. Bullish effort is greater than the bullish result. That means volume is high here than the result. We can take and we can place our trade to the downward direction for 1 minute. It will work. So in this case, when market condition is strongly downtrend, it's a momentum type situation. So, and after breakout, this level breakout happened, and finally market create this type of situation, and this is our turns, and this is also an anomaly here. So we can easily place our trade here to the downward direction. Okay. So see here, market slowly trying to make a ranging type situation here. And the sellers also, this one weak here. Previously market reversed from here after that one candlestick, again market falling down. So market trying to make a range. So if we see sideways type situation, sideways market at any level, so that time we have to check that level, previous history of the market. And if we see finally breakout happen, then again we have opportunity. So see here, so this was our previous level. Market finally break this level. Again goes up, again came back to this area, same area, but finally again market break this lower level also. Again breaking lower level. This level breakout happen. Again this level breakout happen. So sequence is okay here right now. So market is falling down, 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 and there are no signal, no this type of two candlestick here, no signal, no signal. Okay. So when no signal, we can, okay. Okay. So market break this lower level, this lower level, this lower level, and market falling down. It's okay. But there is no signal here. Market finally going up. Previously, market got rejected from this level, and market fall down from this level. Again, previously fall down from this level, again and again falling down from this level. So when market again came back to this level, market create this situation. This is also another situation that market create a double top pattern here, and this is the neckline. Finally neckline breakout happened, after that pullback. So in this case, see here, this is the condition. This is the condition of the market. So from this round number level, there is round number level here. The number is 0.855250. This one. Okay. So from this round number, market got rejected and goes up. Again came back to this level, market goes up. Finally, this level breakout happened. And when this level breakout happened, market trying to make a basement here, strong basement here. Okay. But till now, market failed to go up. Till now, market trying to forming a basement here. Okay. So now what happened? This one market is falling down, 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 and market again came back to the same level and got rejected from here. This is our first candle, and this is our second candle. So this candlestick large little bit than this one, but volume low. This candle weak than this one, but volume high. So it's our signal. Now the main question is, we place our trade here to the downward direction, or we have to avoid this situation. So definitely we have to avoid this type of situation, because see here, from the first point, market goes up. Second point, market goes up. This is the third point. Market may create a momentum type situation from here. Although it's a downtrend market, it's okay. But market trying to make a basement here, a strong basement here. Market may goes up from here. That's why when market create this type of situation, we have to avoid here. And another way we can think, so if this situation, if there is no round number level, or there is no level here, or if we see market break this level also, after breakout market goes up directly, again market falling down directly, and there are no basement here, not rejected from here, not goes up from here, no level like this one, this one, this one. So in this case, we have opportunity here to place our trade to the downward direction based on any level, like we can draw any types of level here. Strong SNR level we can draw, resistance, breakout become a support, again breakout, again it's act as a resistance level here. So based on this strong SNR level, we can place our trade here to the downward direction. But this is the basement here, that's why this one risky now. So market may create a momentum, or market may goes up also from here. But if we see there are no like this type of round number level here, and from higher market goes up again and again to the same direction, that time we can easily place our trade. But here now this is risky, 50-50% chance market may fall down, again market may came here and make another basement, more strong basement here, after that market may goes up, or market may directly goes up from here also, 50-50% chance. So by this type of situation, we don't have opportunity, we don't place our trade, we don't take this type of 50-50% opportunity. Okay, finally market came here, breakout happened, buyer center, again breakout happened, again buyer center, and finally this is the strong candle, very strong candle, and finally break this EMA and this EMA also. So when market finally break this EMA and finally market goes up, so from this basement, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now see this candle, volume high, weak candle volume high, large candle volume low. So bearish effort is lower than the bearish result. Bearish effort is low here, result high here. That means candlestick large here. So we can place our trade to the upward direction from any level. Now we have to observe, is there any level or not? Okay. So market create here there is a level, a strong SNR level. There are strong SNR level here, like this one. If we draw support, breakout become a resistance. Okay, this one support after breakout become a resistance. So this is the area. So market exactly close at this area. So we can place our trade below here to the upward direction. So why we place our trade to the upward direction here? Because of displacement. And this is also a pattern. We can take this one as a double bottom pattern also. This bottom, this bottom. And finally a market goes up, and this is the neckline. Neckline breakout happened after the two retracement candle. This is the level. When market came to this retrace level, market goes up. So now if we see any types of situation like this type of situation, we can place our trade. Okay, so here there is no situation. This one, this is the strong candlestick volume low, the weak candlestick volume high. So in this case, this 50 ma, this 50 ma also act as a strong level here, or we can draw like this, resistance after breakout become a support. Okay, from this level we can also place our trade. Okay, so based on this this strong SNR level, resistance after breakout become a support. So exactly market create this type of situation at the support level. So finally market jump up, and it there is a round number here. I already explained, if market want to break any levels, it can break by following two rules. It may jump up and got rejected and finally goes up, or it may little bit jump down and slowly break this level and goes up. So here resistance after breakout became a support. So market when jump up, when market came back to the same level or little bit below from this round number level, we can place our trade here to the upward direction. So it will work. So first of all, we have to know how market changing its direction and which area is a risky area for us and which area we have to avoid. In this case, we have to avoid this one because we don't know, after rejection market goes up or market again fall down, again came back to this level. That's why it's a now it's risky, because market make a basement here already. That's why we have to avoid this one, but we can take this one because there are so many confirmation for placing this trade and this trade also. So okay, today there are network issue here. Okay, this one. Okay, so when market strongly fall down, it's a momentum. After momentum, if we get any this type of situation, after momentum, you get this type of situation. After momentum, any this type of situation, you can place our trade easily to the same direction of the trend. So it will work perfectly. So we can easily place our trade in this type of case. So this is all about today's session. Now I'm going to close today's session here. Thanks everybody for joining today's session.